too much damn makeup. Hey, you, you. We get your face for one tin. Can I get one face in a tin, please? Yeah, are you me a talk? I want too much goddamn makeup. I believe that every woman will look good. And every woman will take the necessary steps to enhance them beauty. But at the same time, them supposed to look natural when them do it. But some girls don't understand this. Too much makeup they on your damn face. Your makeup cake up. Honestly, I don't know who teach someone to put on the makeup. It's like when you use a paintbrush. I'm gonna take a mop and just mop on the face. Or sweep on the face. On the makeup too much. So someone could even be like mace and do mason work. Cause it's like you just flash on the makeup. I must want to show you when you use put on the makeup. Too much makeup in my face. I will not do it right. It's like you just dip on hand in your makeup sitting and slap your hand. That's so. And then feel like some of them eyeliners, like them take a marker and just drag it around the eye them. Look like a damn raccoon. Look like a blasted panda. I wonder if you say men attracted to panda. Well, some man stays so still. My eye jump on the see? My eye jump. Watch it. Go away. I drag some big old black line on the eye and kind of sitting. I slap on the makeup. Lord God. Past some of them faces, it look like somebody used the underline feature in a word. You know what I mean? Times New Roman, bold, underline. Bold 3 times, underline. Nice. Someone don't need the backspace. Backspace, man. Backspace, control, alt, delete, and like take off some of the makeup. They makeup too much.
Too much makeup there like a blasted face.
But they are Kingston scene. I'm see some woman that wear some whole heap of makeup in them a heat here. You know what? People always wonder why women take so long to get ready. Cause some of them put on like 16 different faces. And then when they do find the one face when they want to wear, it take 3 days to put on. On a face like
too much makeup.
If you don't know how to apply makeup, nobody wear it. That's someone who just look ridiculous. As unattractive as you might feel about yourself. Before you apply some makeup, please get some instructions, get some lessons. Go learn from somebody how to do the makeup thing. Understand the purpose of the makeup thing. And stop damn scare me. I mean, I see someone in the DM, I just want to tear down the whole place. Too much makeup there for your damn face. I mean, when I see someone like me tempted to ask for an autograph because you resemble the Joker. You resemble the Joker from Batman. Lipstick plaster with you wear so. One big hole sitting around your eye. The Bible say anything done in excess is a sin. Someone who know a sin when I put on too much makeup. Be smart when you using makeup, no has sense no. If you can't apply makeup on your face, if you don't know how to do it, just leave it alone. Someone who would have shine better at abstract painting. Cause me see someone on face, I just be abstract artwork written all over your makeup. Too much makeup and it does. Me not understand it. What? Why your face look so? You sure you don't belong in like a museum somewhere? That is some fine abstract painting you got all over your face. Walking work of art. Scary as shit.
Too much makeup on your face.
Too much goddamn makeup. The makeup make you look fake up because it cake up. Too much damn makeup. Big up to the girl who like know how to do the makeup and it compliment your attire. You see me? You know look sloppy and shitty and too much and just cake up on your face. And you don't look unnatural and look like a damn zombie. You just look real with your makeup. And even a big up to the girl who don't have to use no makeup. You just wash your face and you just like gleam. Please, females, if you're gonna use the makeup, know how to do it and know say like stop doing it in excess. Just a little bit here, a little bit there, and you know what I mean? Understand say if you have spots and all them shit and you just want to hide the spot, that's cool, but please, it's very scary. I don't look good. You know what? I understand. That's a red. Too much makeup there on a damn face. Check out the gun show. Gun show.
Yeah, but too much blows that skirt makeup.
Subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.